this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I just want to do a quick flip through of what I made for the November Blog Challenge 2022. It's Thanksgiving themed mixed media, and it's found on my Multimedia Crafts digital blog. And there you will find a freebie that I used with this, and there's also a freebie on the Multimedia Crafts digital Facebook page as well. And you can use those freebies along with whatever mixed media that you want to use. And like I said, the theme for this this month was Thanksgiving, and you could use anywhere. You could just choose between 3 different prompts, such as inks, and you could use distress inks, ink pen, printer, refill ink, Sharpie, blah blah blah, paint, modeling, paste, stenciling, stamping, jewelry findings, words and text, die cut wood, or organics. So basically all I made was just like a little stuffed pocket. And so you have a pocket. It's like a little side pocket here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Well, this flips up first, and it's the envelope. This was from the freebie kit on the Facebook page, and it has like the pumpkin on it. And then there's like a little side pocket inside here, and then there's also another one back here. So you have 2 side pockets on each side where you can take your tags out at. And then you also then you've got your envelope, which is some more space for that right there. Let me just take these out so you can get a clear view of everything. And the papers that I made these out of came from the Facebook, no, it came from the blog freebie, Step in the Fall. And these are 2 of the papers from there. And that particular kit, Step into the Fall, is part of the Pixel Scrapper blog train, or what it's called digitalscrapbooking.com now, but it's part of their blog train. And you'll see mine, and I'll have a link in the description for how you can access mine. But you can also go over there, and there are several other collaborators, and you can go check them out, and then you can also access some of their free digitals. So those are something fun to play with, and we all use the same color theme. So but yeah, so these 2 right here are from the Step into Fall digital kit from the blog train, and then you have the envelope from the Facebook page, and then some of these little cut aparts, these are also from the blog train. And then so you have a pocket here, and I just filled it with just some ephemera, just some random ephemera, and I did some decoupaging and put this little, I use a napkin for this right here. And then I just put some scrap papers in here for tags and journaling spots. And then this opens up like that. And then you have a journaling spot here. And then the word fall. And this little coffee cup or coffee mug also comes from the the blog freebie. Then you have a pocket back here. And then this just, I did some stamping and some stenciling. And just use mainly distress inks is what I use. I use some alcohol inks too. And then you flip it over here, and then I've used this little cluster. I used I fussy cut these out. These are from the blog train, and I cut these out, went over it with an ink pen and some glossy accents, and then that's how I got that shine. And then I just clustered them up and put them right here just to garnish this pocket back here. But it's real simple. So this is pretty much it. And I added a few things in here, some tags, and I just filled it up a little bit. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on my blog and my social media sites. And if you want to participate in the challenge, just go ahead and do so. And I'd love to see your creations on my Facebook page. So but yeah, once again, I thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.